BAYKAL, the world's largest press brake manufacturer, sets the global standard for power, precision, and scale. Our APHS MAX series ranges from 600 to 10,000 tons, built not just for today's production needs, but for generations to come. These high-tonnage machines are ideal for construction and agricultural equipment, structural steel, shipbuilding, and power infrastructure, delivering the size, strength, and accuracy manufacturers demand. Every BAYKAL press brake is engineered for maximum performance, featuring a rigid monoblock frame, precision dual-cylinder ram positioning, a deeper throat, larger daylight opening, and extended stroke length, all designed to boost productivity while lowering cost per part. With deeper throats, larger openings, and longer strokes than any competitor, BAYKAL machines handle deep bends and long tooling with ease. Backed by decades of R&D, BAYKAL press brakes deliver unmatched accuracy, precision, and customization, including fully tailored solutions for unique manufacturing challenges. BAYKAL. Think big, we do.